Hello friends, how are you all? Today I'm here with a very beautiful costume idea, which is a gift box costume idea. So I hope you will like it, and if you're watching, please watch it full and subscribe the channel. So I have tried my best to make the video short, but I wanted to show the complete process of making of this costume. So let's start it. So here is the complete look, and this box is like a shirt. You can easily wear it, your kids can easily wear it. And I also made this beautiful flowery hairband, and I will also show how I made it. If you watch the full video, I request you please watch the full video. It will help me to grow more. So take a cardboard and take two glittery gift wrapping sheets, and you will wrap around this red gift wrapping sheet around this cardboard box. You will need a tape, scissors. So you will try to wrap this sheet, and you will also cover the sides. And now I am cutting the front side, and where your head will be shown, like you can wear it, it's your head portion. And you can see, I hope you can make it more round. And now I will take this glittery gift wrapping sheet, and now I will cut it. And now I am decorating, I'm trying to make a bow. So because I wanted to decorate it like really like a gift box, so you will take a sheet and you will cut in 4 parts, and you will make a beautiful bow. So you will need a hot glue, attach it like this. I hope you are understanding and it is very clear to you how to make a bow. So let's join it. Let's join the corners with the help of hot glue, and like this. And rest of the parts, the downside and the upside, you will cut it like this. You will cut a strip from the upside, and then you will wrap it around this beautiful bow. So later I will decorate this beautiful bow with thermocol balls, and you keep watching, you will know how beautiful it is. Now cover the middle side, middle area of the bow with a red piece. And later on I will apply a bead on it, and it will give a very fancy look. Now we will apply hot glue, and we will attach this beautiful bow with the gift box costume. And now let's decorate it with beautiful thermocol balls also. And now I'm trying to make a beautiful flower for the headband, for the hairband, because this costume includes a hairband, a beautiful hairband. So you will cut small strips. I have written the measurements of these strips. So you will join these strips together with the help of hot glue, and later on you will join the strips, and it will make a really beautiful flower. And according to the Christmas or any other occasion, I'm using red, green and silver color. And you can see I'm cutting more strips in green color. I used red, I used white, I used silver and green also. So you will make little longer strips from the green sheet, because I want the green strips to be little longer, and it will make a really good flower. Now you will join all these strips together, and with the help of hot glue, and then it will make a really nice flower for your hair and for your headband. You can wear this headband on all the occasions, all the parties, any birthday party. It's really nice. Okay guys, you will need a black headband or any hairband, plain hairband, and you will attach this with the help of hot glue. And you can take any hairband, or you can use a pin you can use any hairpin and you can attach this flower with it. You just have to give a flowery look. So now I'm decorating the box with the help of thermocol balls, and you apply the hot glue and decorate your bow. So you can decorate it with any material available at home, and you can decorate it with different laces, different anything you have. So now I'm trying to apply a bead, a beautiful bead. So this is the cutting of the arms. This is cutting for the arms, and that's why your kid or you can, and you will be able to wear it like a shirt. So let's make the holes for the arms. The same way you will make the left side arm and hole and the right side arm hole. So now I'm cutting the downside of this box because it will be open from the downside. So that's why you will be able to wear it. So the front side is a big hole for the head to come out, and this downside you can see we have 3 holes for the head and arms, and then from the downside it's open and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like this costume idea for your parties, for your occasions. Bye bye.